What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best way to start to make $100 a day online as a beginner in 2019. I'm also going to give you a unique opportunity to make even more with this, so to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this opportunity here today, make sure you watch the whole video. So as I said earlier here, I'm going to give you a unique opportunity to give you a chance to make even more than $100 a day as a beginner. So stick till the end to find out all the details here. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to offer videos actually to customers, and you can do it in two ways. One is actually go to sites like Fiverr, just like you see here today. You can see here I typed explainer video, and you can see here the rates that people are charging. This is in euros, so 140 is approximately $150. We have something for 80, which is $90. This goes for around $160. Now there is over $200 here. And I just typed explainer video, but the same goes for whiteboard animation videos and motion videos there. Another way you can offer to sell this kind of videos is you go offline actually. You visit your local market there, and you offer them this kind of videos. And I can guarantee you that if you start to visit like 20 or 30 stores there, you're definitely gonna get a few sales if you do it the right way. So you're probably asking now, how can I do these kind of videos since I'm a beginner, okay? And that is where I wanted to share with you today's opportunity here, because yesterday there was a new software launched which is called Explaindio Elements. And you probably heard about Explaindio. It is probably the #1 software where you can make doodle videos, you can make explainer videos and motion videos. What they did is actually just like Photoshop did once a few years back. They launched the Photoshop Elements, which is a lighter and a cheaper version, and the Explaindio team, they did the exact same thing here. So they launched yesterday the Explaindio Elements, which is a super easy way to get started to make this kind of videos without any previous experience. So I'm going to leave a link right here below so you can have a look at the sales page. I'm not going to play the videos for you here, but you can see here it works really simple in 3 steps. Requires no technical skills or video experience to do this. And you can see here you can create unlimited videos, there are no restrictions. You can see here you can create and charge anywhere from $200 to $500 for each of these videos. So don't limit that you have to be only on Fiverr. As I said, I would actually go the offline route and make even more money. You can easily charge well over $150 to $200. Another good tip would actually be to offer them that you can upload the video with the right title and the description, and you can make even more. So there you have, definitely by just having one of these clients a day, you have your $100 plus per day there. But I'm going to share with you a unique opportunity here so you can make even more, okay? So you can see here that you are getting this during the launching period. It's a special one-time pricing for this. That's why I wanted you to grab this opportunity here. You get actually 200 pre-made scene templates. It's so easy to do this. You can have a look at the video later on here. You just insert some logos, some text there, it goes in minutes, and you have your video up and running in no time there. So no technical experience. This is a demo video here. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but just to give you a quick idea how it looks.
Here we are inside the Explaindio Elements platform. Text for now, and click OK. Now let's add a video like this. Click on.
Basically, he did a video here under 2 minutes. I'm not going to play the video for you because I want you to have a look at it at the sales page, at your own page, so you can see exactly what this is all about. And you see here, as they said earlier, it is in 3 simple steps. You select a scene template or doodle canvas. You customize them with your own text, image or video, as I said earlier, and then you generate. So really super easy and simple. You also get the commercial license included here, so you can keep 100% of the profits. Here are some videos that you can see, what kind of videos that you can make here with the software. It's really a no-brainer in my opinion here, but I'm going to make it a no-brainer for you here, because the pricing will start here at 27. Depending on what day you come in here, it might be 28 or 29. It's still a no-brainer, but I'm gonna make this a no-brainer for you here, because I'm gonna include a unique bonus that you won't find anywhere else, and you can expand on this and make even more money. So what I'm going to do is I created a course which is Audio Video Mastery, and this is actually how you can create audio and video productions like a pro that converts with results. So if I scroll down a little bit here, I emphasize on the audio. That is where my background comes from. A good audio is 50% of a good video production there. So it is that important. And I found it actually a loophole for Camtasia, how to improve and boost the sounder. And then later on I started to create a full-blown course on, of course, Camtasia. I do it a little bit different. I don't show you just the features in Camtasia, but what I do is I actually show you, let me see here, in a step-by-step video tutorials here, just like this one. Okay, so now it's time. You can see here everything's explained, and I do it on the real live examples. These are videos that I created. I have uploaded these videos. Here is make a pro production, for example. Okay, so in this tutorial it includes anything from green screen. This is a YouTube video where I show you exactly how to do this. So when you're finished Audio Video Mastery, you are going to master definitely both audio and video productions with Camtasia. How to use footage. I show you how to find royalty-free footage, create a video and upload it on YouTube or wherever you want actually. Or sell it, of course, to customers of yours. So there you have another opportunity to sell even more videos. Because if they like what they see first time, they will definitely going to purchase more than just one video from you. They want to have more videos up there, so you can just imagine, use your imagination on how much you can earn actually with one potential customer there. There is even more, but I'm not going to go into detail here. You can see that I sell Audio Video Mastery here for $27, so you get it for free by just grabbing Explaindio Elements here. So you get 2 things in one actually. You get Audio Video Mastery and you get Explaindio Elements. Now you can create any kind of videos and sell it to customers there. If you want to go the freelance route, go on freelance sites and offer this kind of videos, but I would actually prefer the second method, and that is to go offline. You find it much easier actually to sell it to them, and you can do tons of upsells. Just one that I mentioned earlier here, by taking care of the SEO, the titles, the tags and everything there, you can take much more money in just one single day there. And it takes minutes actually to do one of these kind of productions here. So I mean, you have all the time to focus on just selling the videos there. So there you have it. You find a link in the description here, right here below, to watch this video. I want you to pay close attention. When you purchase it, all you have to do is actually send me with an email your ClickBank receipt. This goes through ClickBank. It is trusted. It is safe to purchase through that. Send it so I can verify that you have purchased this through my link, and I will make sure to give you instant access as soon as I can to Audio Video Master Reader as well. So there you have it. Best way to make $100 plus per day as a beginner in 2019 and beyond. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead now, click the link below here, and I'm looking forward to see you inside my members area there.